This mistake is common among native Hebrew speakers as well as Hebrew beginners. I thought this is a good time to show you how to avoid it so you never make this mistake yourself. I'm talking about the common phenomenon of replacing the letter Aleph with the letter Yod in conjugated words, specifically in the first person future tense masculine or feminine form. Let me show you an example. When I want to say I will go, I should never, under any circumstances, say Ani Yelekh. I should always say Ani Elech. I know it may sound trivial and sometimes hard to tell the difference in pronunciation, but believe me, you know it is a big problem when people start to write this way and it becomes a standard for many native speakers. The source of this mistake is a bad habit many contemporary modern Hebrew speakers have. That is, the faulty pronunciation of the letter Aleph. In combinations like Ani Elech, when the letter Aleph in Yelekh is not pronounced well, the vowel E at the end of the word Ani connects to the word Yelekh, causing it to sound like Ye instead of E. Ani Yelekh, Ani Yelekh. There is a simple solution to this problem. We call it Eitan letters in Hebrew. I will leave you links below so you can read more. Don't forget all about the word Yelekh yet. In third person, future masculine form, we do say Yelekh. Hu, Yelekh. That is correct. I believe that this is also part of the confusion, since this is a real and often used word so people feel comfortable to borrow it. You can see how this form of the word Yelekh exists but wrongly used in the future tense for the first person form. So to conclude, in first person, future tense, singular masculine or feminine form, we never say Ani Yelekh, Ani Yeshev, Ani Yedaber. We do say Ani Elech, Ani Eshev, Ani Adaber. Respect the letter Aleph and pronounce it correctly. When you write something, make sure you write the letter Aleph where needed. This way it will be easier to understand you, and it will also help you to brand yourself as an articulate Hebrew speaker. In any case, that is all I have for you today. If you have thoughts or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe, and as always, thank you and toda for watching.